Let me show you what's going on with your forecast here. You know, not exactly snowboarding weather, but it is cold. It's one of those days where it's a stark reminder of, yes, it is winter. Yes, it can get cold. It's just not going to stay very cold. Got a little bit of snow falling out towards Permian Basin, though. Some of those snowflakes, some of those sleet pellets are going to try and reach the hill country. I don't think we're going to have much success getting them successfully from the cloud to the ground, but if I'm wrong, let me know. Those up in northern San Saba County in particular, we've got some radar reflectivity showing wintry mix, but we're fighting some pretty dry air down here at the surface. So those showers are going to have to overcome quite a bit. We're not expecting anything in the way of significant impacts, though. I do think the wind is the bigger story. Central, south, coastal Texas all getting whipped by these winds that are coming in out of the north. Followed that cold front that arrived late yesterday. Wind advisory is going to continue until noontime today for our area. Wind gusts could potentially get up to 45 miles per hour. It is going to be cold, windy, kind of a blustery day. The wildfire risk is because of the dry air and the gusty winds that we still have with us, especially along and east of I-35. You'll notice we've got high fire danger, that 3 out of 5 threat. That wildfire map is something you'll see every day this week, just ahead of the fireworks that we've got planned for Wednesday night into Thursday. Temperatures. 30s and 40s. We aren't going to see much of a warm up at all today. We're in the 40s right now here in Austin. We'll be in the 40s later today. The wind will be with us, especially for the first half of the day. They'll slowly start to loosen their grip heading into the later part of the evening. But there is going to be that 10% chance of a sprinkle like we just talked about. And that could be this morning. That could be this afternoon. There's just not going to be a lot out there. The majority of us will stay dry. So your high temperatures, highs will be in the 40s and 50s. If you're not digging the cold, this will be the coldest day of the next 7. Temperatures only get warmer after today. The clouds are with us from start to finish. High resolution models are trying to put out a couple spots here of those sprinkles. Again, a sleet pellet could mix in. It is not going to be much, though. I would not hold your breath on anything in the way of meaningful precipitation today. I think the wind and the drop in temperatures of focus today. Moving forward, we get warmer. Now, we're going to have to work for it. Tuesday and Wednesday mornings start in the 30s before we get warmer, but eventually the warming trend kicks in, and we're going to be talking about milder nights too. 7-day forecast. Gusty winds today, highs in the 40s, 10% chance of that isolated sprinkle. We go mix of sun and clouds tomorrow, highs close to 10 degrees warmer, adding another 10 degrees Wednesday in the upper 60s, 70s for New Year's Day. If you're going to be out late Wednesday night, ringing in the new year, those midnight temperatures are going to be in the upper 40s, so chilly but not unbearable. Weak cold front comes through late Friday into Saturday, just takes those 80s down to the 70s. A dry cold front for the weekend. Freddie?